Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vision. In this video, we are going to talk about browser resize tool of Playwright MCP Server. So what is browser resize tool in Playwright MCP Server? The browser resize tool in Playwright MCP Server allows you to resize the browser to different viewports, including desktop, tablet, and mobile screens during test execution. It helps validate responsive layout and UI behavior across real-world devices. This ensures consistent, reliable cross-device testing with a single test flow. So now let's first see the scenario which we would be checking as part of this particular video to use this browser resize tool. So for that, let me go to this particular website. So here what we would be doing, we would be going to this visioninfinite.com and then we will try to resize this browser window. Let me do that manually. So here right click onto the inspect, and here we have this option, toggle device toolbar. Click here, and here you can select any device for which you want to do the testing. Let's say here I can select this iPad Air. So our website will look like this onto iPad Air. Here similarly you can change it to iPhone 12 Pro, which would be the mobile device, right? From here you can select any device, let's say Samsung Galaxy S8. So our website is going to look like this. So like this you can select any device. Apart from that, you can also select the viewports, which means you can select the custom width and height. So this first one is the width and the second option is for the height. For that, click here, click onto this responsive, and here you can give any height and width. Let's say here I'm giving 300, which is width, and height as 900. So like this you can select any device or you can give any width or height to perform the testing. So this we did manually, but the same thing we would be doing with the help of Playwright MCP Server. But before that, let me show you how we can reproduce this behavior with the help of Playwright script. So what we want to do, we want to go to this particular site and then we want to resize the browser window to the specific size. After that, you can perform more actions onto the given size. But for now, I am focusing onto this browser resize tool. So let me open VS Code, and here to open the browser into the specific size, there are multiple options when you use Playwright. So either you can use this playwright.config.ts file where you can select the different devices. So here inside this playwright.config.ts file, we have this define config. And here for this define config function, we pass an object where we have key, which is projects. And inside it, we can provide different projects on which we want to do the execution. Like here, we are doing execution for the desktop Chrome. Similarly, we can do the execution onto the Firefox, WebKit, and here see, we can select different devices also. Let's say if I want to do the execution onto iPhone 14 Pro Max, so that I can select. Similarly, we can select any device on which we would be able to do the execution. So for each device, the browser size will get changed. But apart from that, we can also select the custom size rather than using these devices. And how we can do that? So for that, we need to just provide this viewport. And here we can provide this width and height. So like this, if we will provide width as 1600 or height as 1200, so it will resize the browser window to this specific size. Let's say here, if I want to select 300 by 900 or any custom size you can select. So your browser will get opened into this particular size. Let me just quickly run the script. Here what we are doing, here we are just importing the test from the Playwright test, and here I've just created the test block where we are going to open this visioninfinite.com onto the Chrome browser, right, as per our configurations. About these configurations, I've already discussed into my Playwright related video where I've explained this playwright.config.ts file in very much detail. If you have not watched that video, I would highly recommend you to watch that video. I will provide link of that video into the description, or you can click onto this I button at top right corner to access that particular video. Now here mainly we are going to focus onto this browser resize tool of Playwright MCP Server, so I'm not going into much detail that how you can do it into the Playwright. And now as we have selected this viewport here, so normally it opens the browser into the specific desktop size, but now we want to open it into 300 by 900 size. Now let me run the script and see, now it opened the browser but into the specific size which we have given. See, our site is looking like this. So like this, you can select any size for any of the mobile or iPad or any different size, and then you can do the testing on that. Similarly, there is one more way. So rather than giving viewport or selecting the project, here into this playwright.config.ts file, what you can do, into your test script file, you can just use this test.use, and here you can provide your viewport, and its value would be an object where you need to provide the width and height, and it will do the same work, right? It will open the browser and your website into the given size. Let's say here we have given 1600 by 1200. So 1600 is the width and 1200 is height. Now let me quickly run it and see it has opened browser into 1600 by 1200 size. See here, it is going out of my laptop window also. So here if you want to do any testing onto this specific size, you can do so. Now let me close it. And now let's use this browser resize tool of Playwright MCP Server to do this resizing. So for that, here we have already given the prompt into our document. So here I have given very simple prompt. You would be giving more details like where you want to click or where you want to fill the form, right? For now, as we are focusing onto this browser resize tool, so just to resize the window, I've given this prompt. So here we have given the prompt like navigate to this visinfinite.com and then resize browser window size to 430 cross 932. And here, as I told you, you can give any size. And here, if you want to be more specific so that MCP server do not get confused, you can mention that resize browser window size to width equals to 430 and height equals to 932, right? Or any size which you want to give. Automatically it will also work, but if you face any issue, you can specifically mention that what width or what height you want to select, right? Into the prompt you can mention width equals to 430 or XYZ value, right? 500 or height equals to 700, 800, 932, whatever the value which you want to give. Now let me copy this prompt. Let's go to VS Code and here we need to open this GitHub Copilot and here we can provide the prompt. Just paste it, or if you want to write it, you can do so. And here we need not to give any context. If you want to close these two files, that is also okay, right? Now let me quickly close it so that you would not be having any confusion that it is using that particular script. No, it is just using this particular prompt. And here, don't forget to select agent from this first drop down. And here you can select any model of your choice. For now, I'm selecting auto. And here, as I told, it is going to use this browser resize tool. Here, if you will click onto this configure tools and now expand this playwright section, you would be able to see this browser resize tool, which is this one, which resize the browser window. That's it, right? It is just going to resize the browser window on which you want to do the testing. So for now, we are just opening the site and resizing the browser window. After that, you can perform any operation which you want to do. Now let me click onto this send. And now it has started working on the prompt. And see, it navigated to this visinfinite.com. For now, the size is normal, right? Which by default it opens. After that, it has given that run resize browser window and where it is going to use this browser resize tool of Playwright MCP Server. See here, as you can see the input, it has automatically selected width and height. So height we have given as 932, right? Width by height, and width we have given 430. And here you can select any option. Always allow, allow in this workspace, allow in this session. For now, I am selecting this always allow, so that in future it will not ask me the permission if again I use this same browser resize tool. And here it is just asking us to approve the tool result, that it ran resize browser window. Here you can see the more details that what it did, right? It set the viewport size to 430 cross 932. Here also you can select this always allow without preview if you know the site very well, right? If the site is valid one. But for this time only, if you want to allow, just click onto this allow. And that's it, right? Our visinfinite.com got open into this particular size, which is 430 cross 932. Here you can perform any testing. See, it is similar to the mobile view. Here into see mobile view, our menu will look like this. From here you can select home, courses, contact, playground, right? And you can perform any testing with the help of Playwright MCP Server here. You can give any prompt. Let's say if you want to open this playground section, so that you can mention into the prompt. And here let's say I want to click onto this forms, right? And see our forms is appearing here. If you will select any other option, that particular section would be appearing here. And you can perform testing into the specific view so that you would be able to test responsiveness of your website onto the different viewport size or onto different devices, right? And guys, now I will conclude this video here, but before we wrap up, let me give you a quick recap. So here we saw that browser resize tool in Playwright MCP Server allows you to resize the browser to different viewports, including desktop, tablet, and mobile screens, right? Here you can test responsiveness of your website onto any other size. If you want to do that manually, you can just right click, inspect, and then click onto this option. And from there, you can select any device or any size here. And if you want to do it into the Playwright, so for that, you can simply go to the Playwright and here you can open your script. Either you can provide this viewport option here, or you can go to this playwright.config.ts file and then you can provide viewport option here like this. For now, I'm removing it. And after that, we saw that we can do the same operation with the help of Playwright MCP Server. So for that, we just need to give the simple prompt. that navigate to the specific website and then resize the browser window to the given size. Here you can give more details like resize it to the width 430 and height 932, or you can also mention the device name that on this particular device you want to do the testing. I have not tried it, but as an assignment you can try to give the different devices also, so that automatically it should take the size, right? If it is not taking, then go for this specific size which you want to provide. You can see the viewport size for different devices from the browser inspect tool. Like for Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, the size would be 360 x 740, right? So same size you can give into your prompt or into your Playwright test script. And now after that, we provided the prompt, and here what it did, it just used this browser resize tool. Here you can click onto this configure tool and you would be able to see this browser resize tool inside this Playwright MCP server. We trained this browser resize tool to resize the browser window, which opened the browser into the specific size. And guys, that's it from my end. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto the second card to access this whole automation using AI and MCP servers playlist. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.